Jharkhand's former Chief Minister Hemant Soren declared on Saturday that the time has come to put the last nail in BJP's coffin and predicted the party's elimination from the Jharkhand after the assembly elections. The statement followed the release on bail from Birsa Munda jail. Addressing the party, the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, Soren confidently asserted that the BJP's dreams of winning the Jharkhand are nothing more than a Mungeri Lal ke haseen sapne, that is the daydreams. Hello and welcome. This is Akanksha and you're watching HW News English. Soren's comment come on the heels of his bail granted by the Jharkhand High Court in a money laundering case. During a public gathering in Ranchi, Soren criticized the BJP strategy of appointing tribal leaders as chief ministers in various states, labeling them as mere rubber stamps. He assured his supporters that no one can hide the truth. It comes out sooner or later. I have come amongst you once again to prove that and provide you with leadership. I assure you that the results of Lok Sabha elections have given strength to the natives and tribals of Jharkhand. Soren indicated that there are more indications of an early assembly elections in Jharkhand and affirmed his readiness. He said, I have received information that elections may be held earlier in the state and we are ready for them. He said, expressing confidence that the people of Jharkhand would not spare the BJP. Following his release from the Birsa Munda jail, Soren addressed JMM workers, accusing the BJP of conspiring against him. He was released a day later after being granted bail in a money laundering case. The High Court, while granting the bail, observed that Soren was prima facie not guilty and stated there was no likelihood on him committing an offence on bail. The court directed his release upon a furnishing of bail bond of Rs 50,000 with two sureties of the same amount each. Soren was arrested by the Enforcement Directorate on January 31st in connection with a money laundering investigation involving illegal possession of 8.36 acres of land. Without naming specific individuals, Soren vowed to give a befitting reply to those who hatched a conspiracy against us. Addressing the party members and supporters, Soren emphasized that the BJP's control over the constitutional establishment was met with a lesson from the people in the recent Lok Sabha elections. He accused the BJP of merely pretending to support the tribal leadership while using them as the figureheads without real power. He accused the BJP of controlling all constitutional establishments. He mentioned the possibility of early assembly elections and expressed his readiness. Soren mocked the BJP's hope of winning the Jharkhand as Mungeri Lal ke sapne. He criticized the BJP for appointing tribal ministers in several states who act as rubber stamps. Soren's statement have intensified the political climate in Jharkhand as the state prepares for its assembly elections. His remarks have reflect a broader strategy to mobilize tribal and native support against the BJP. The former chief minister's assurance of readiness for the elections and his confidence in the support of people of Jharkhand set the stage for a highly contested electoral battle in Jharkhand. That's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and also download our app HW News Shorts for the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.